Alright, how's it going, you guys? Here to bring you another video. Now, I know I've been gone for a while from YouTube, and I am sorry about that. So unfortunate, but unfortunately, guys, I had college and stuff like that. I had to finish my classes, work on my classes to get the grades that I wanted to get out of those classes. So, now let's go ahead and transition into the topic today and what we're going to talk about today. So, there's going to be a series of things that I want to talk about, but first, let's go and start off with the most important one. I got a new laptop. That's right, a new laptop. My old laptop, let's just say it's went through some serious events and tragedies. My hard drive crashed. Everything basically got wiped out on my computer. So that laptop's pretty much done. And now I have a new one. Now, the laptop that I have now is a MacBook Pro, 2.5 gigahertz, i5 processor, all that good stuff, all that jazz. If you want me to do a review, first impressions or thoughts or whatever stuff like that, I will be sure to do that, and I will make that in my next video. So just leave your comments down below. So now, another thing. Larry of Otaku Assemble sent me a magazine for, not a magazine, excuse me, his comic book for his Totems comic book. You know, I pledged for his comic book. I paid, you know, my dues and stuff like that. So he's sending me a comic book. Now, it hasn't came in yet. I see that my boy Uncle Man. I see that my boy Hugo. I see that a lot of my other friends on YouTube have done their unboxing. Mine has not come yet. I'm pretty sure it's on its way. If not, I'll contact Larry to see if it's coming or if it's been shipped back to him. If I gave him the wrong address, maybe he can ship it to me again. So I'm definitely looking forward to reading that, getting my hands on that. So that's something that I'm definitely excited for. And let's also go ahead and talk about this. Now, a game was announced by the name of Project Versus J. Now, originally, what I thought was it was going to be like this game, Jump Ultimate Stars, but for the PlayStation 3 and PlayStation Vita, and that's the two systems it's going to be for. Unfortunately, it's not. Basically, all Project Versus J is it's a celebration or mark of the three biggest animes that are out right now next to Bleach, excluding Bleach. And those are Naruto, One Piece, and Toriko. These are animes that people talk about all over the anime community, that people pretty much love, enjoy, watch. You know, they tell their friends about it, their moms know about it, their dads know about it, cousins, nephews, whatever. Everybody knows about these three series, and everybody pretty much wants to play these, have these particular characters in the game. So Shonen Jump and some other producers and stuff like that who make games have decided to come out with a game that has these three characters in the game and all the characters that support those three characters inside of a game. Now, a lot of people are upset because one, it's not coming for the 360, and two, more characters are not being developed within this game outside of those three. Now, here's what I have to say. I think that if this game does well and we support it and it gets good feedback, I'm pretty sure they'll add more characters for the game. This is just trial and error. And it's coming out for the PlayStation 3 and PlayStation Vita. So these are two systems that have a lot of those first-party games on the systems already. So if it does well, it gets good reception, a lot of people buy it, I'm pretty sure they're going to incorporate more characters into a game, into these type of games, and they're going to be more successful. So I would definitely like to see more of this game. I'd like to see gameplay of this game to see exactly what happens, where they want to go with this game, and overall, just what are their thoughts about it. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and kind of cut the video short here. Because, you know, I have a lot of other videos I want to push out to you guys. And be sure to follow me on Twitter, too, at Ron's Legacy, or also you can join the Facebook group. We can debate, anime, whatever, you know, we can talk about it. So, you know, guys, I would love to see you in the comment sections, and I would also love to see you on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter and on the Facebook group. So with that being said, guys, I'll check you guys later in another video. Peace. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.